Do we see any room of delaying the process pa po? Any attempt to drag the process para lang po hindi pamuna dumiretso sa trial?
Even if there will be attempts, the prosecution will remain firm in making sure that the trial will start on July 6, 2026, as previously scheduled by the Senate.
Good morning po, Jonathan Andal, GMA News. Balikan ko lang po yung nag-circulate na report over the weekend. The report also claimed that the House prosecution team appeared unprepared for the defense team arguments, claiming that si Attorney Lorna Kapunan pa raw ang nag-take ng lead because allegedly the House prosecutors were struggling to keep up. Can you clarify po that part?
We are not struggling. We are very much prepared. But as I have said, it has been our position to have this pre-trial conference in an expeditious manner. So regardless of the manifestations that were raised by the defense, including counter-stipulations, we maintained our position that that cannot be resolved by the clerk of court, and therefore we should proceed immediately to the agenda of the pre-trial conference. Our refusal to comment to the manifestations of the defense doesn't mean that we are not prepared. We simply maintained our position that those issues are not proper for PTC, and therefore we must confine to the agenda of the pre-trial conference.
And over the weekend, may mga kumalat na rumors na parang nagkalamunan ng buhay daw po na parang ganun yung nangyari. Can you clarify po that, Chair?
That is not true. I charge it to fake news. And the people should become very cautious now in watching from the social media. We should be careful in deciphering what is correct and what is false. Of course, I am conscious that I am representing the interests of the sovereign Filipino people. Hindi po ako papayag na lamunin ng buhay ang laban ng sambayan ng Pilipino.
Kanina po kasi bago mag-start yung pre-trial conference, andun po yung mga lawyers from both the defense and the prosecution. Tapos parang nakita sila na parang nagmi-mingle naman, nag-uusap-usap. I know na normal ito, pero just to clarify po sa public, baka po kasi may mag-isip ng kung ano na parang bakit magkakasundo pala sila after all. Can you clarify po?
Well, all of us are lawyers. At least we must be cordial with each other because we belong to the same legal profession. Nevertheless, of course, we are committed to our respective causes. The prosecution is here to prove its case in this impeachment trial, while the defense is there in order to prove the innocence of the respondent. That is what we meant by adversarial proceeding. But it does not negate the supposed cordial relationship among the members of the bar.